Okay guys, welcome back, welcome back. All right, today is a very bright sunny day, and actually I'm right over St. Mary, and here I'm going to do an adventure tour today. So the name of the adventure tour is Travel Tour 876, and it's done by Rhinover right now. This is the highway from Ocherios, and this is Cooler Aces right here. Yes. Travel tour is right off the highway there. All right, so stick around, enjoy the tour. I'm going down there now, so come with me guys. All right. Okay, so this is the entrance of JM Travel Tour 876. All right, there's a signboard up there. Okay, I'm here with my captain.
Alright guys, welcome to JM5 Travel Tours. My name is Shadow, I'll be one of the captains for the day, alright? So as you can see, we're located right behind the Cool Aces gas station, and we're gonna see what we have for you guys today, alright? So this is the urinating area. This is the restroom, and we got a change room right around the back.
Okay. Okay,
So
see.
as you can see, change the room, a space where you can wash your hands.
All right, guys, look at the car park. You have adequate car park here, right?
Yeah, man.
So come along with us, you know.
Morning. This is Fabian from Fabian Tours Jamaica.
Yeah.
Doing a few tours today with JM Tours. I am, like I said before, this is where I do all my touring. I do rafting, blue hole, tubing, and horseback riding here. The reason I come here, the service is great. The workers make it easy for my guests to enjoy themselves. The vibes is great. No harassments, no long waits. Best place to be.
Okay.
And like I said, the price is reasonable, real reasonable price. And the greatest part, like I said before, is the harassment. No harassment at all when you come here. Friendly folks, guests enjoy themselves. Best place to be.
Okay. All right. So we're actually going to go on the tour now.
You go on tour?
Yes.
Enjoy yourself.
All right. Hey guys, I'm getting an armband right here. Okay, so when you come in, you come to the office and you get an armband right here. All right, so see, I'm getting my armband. Okay, that is it.
Yes, sir.
So let's go rafting now. So this is the walkway for the rafting.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the left, we have some gentlemen building some of the tubes from scratch. This
Okay.
is how we build the rafts from scratch.
Oh,
So all the rafts that we have here
yeah.
are built from scratch.
Okay. Hi.
Yeah, blessed.
Yeah, man. Morning.
A lot of work goes into it, but
Okay.
Alright, come on then.
Yeah. Wow. So the water is clean and nice.
this one.
Okay, so here's my captain. I'm getting ready to go on my rafting.
Alright, take your time.
Okay, so the step over here?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so
Step right on.
comfortable seat and sit. Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yes, off we go. Wow, it's so relaxing. Wow. How long is the rafting?
It's gonna be 45 minutes to an hour, depends on what person.
Okay, 45 to an hour. Okay,
So
okay.
do I have something they call a lifestyle massage, people stretch marks their skin at the liver spot, eczema, a lot more. Also using products such as makeup, sunscreen, soap, toothpaste, pills, a lot more. And you can check it out on Google and our website.
Okay,
Right?
okay.
And with a discount.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah. But the water is so clean. You know, some ducklings over there. is a lot of work. Yes. Wow. Eh?
Oh, this is relaxing though.
So we get our drinks, our coconut, our drag and whatever we need, right over this side.
Okay, okay.
So we'll have more vendors at the beach, alright?
Oh, you have more vendors on the beach?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can actually stop right there?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Just normally park up on the side of the river.
Okay.
Park.
Okay, so this is the Nova Beach, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So also Rainova also means new river in Jamaica, English there.
Oh, okay,
I
okay.
mean, they call it Rainova is in Patwa,
Uh-huh.
and they call it Rainova.
Okay.
That's the right name for it, Rainova.
Okay.
So that in English that pronounced new river.
Okay. So we can actually come off the rafting right here.
Yeah. So normally people that get to stop, buy some stuff,
Ah.
head back up.
Oh, okay, head back up.
Yeah, I used to do them limestone.
Uh-huh.
I used to do extra 15 minutes go, so they can make it an hour.
Oh, so you do the limestone
Yeah.
right over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the raft.
Oh,
I
you.
might have a bed right here, so
Uh-huh.
put them on them sit down under them limestone.
Oh,
Under
okay.
them put them sit down right at the front right there.
Oh, okay, okay. One stop. Hi. You okay? I'm all right. What you have ice cold jelly? You have ice cold jelly? Yeah. Okay.
We say one,
Huh?
one if I want stuff on the gun. Or I want stuff on the gun with the mission.
Yeah, we can stop.
Yes, Omi, what's up?
Yeah, what's up?
Is okay?
Yeah, man.
Enjoy the tour.
Yes.
Over here souvenir that I made. I want to show you what I made. Come over.
Okay, okay. Okay, you can get off right here. Yeah. Hi. What's up? You enjoying the tour? You enjoying the tour?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, nice. Yeah. Wow.
Step down.
Oh, it's a step down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now walk side, put the foot sideways.
Okay, sideways. Wow. Alright. Alright, so. Okay, so this is the Rhine over.
Come over and see what's going on.
Yeah, this is the Rhine over.
You can change the setting.
Huh?
All type of things that I made in my head.
Okay. This
All
is
type of stuff
okay.
that
So,
we do for a living in Jamaica. We have some booty shorts for the ladies. Some nice meshy shorts for the ladies.
yeah.
We have all type of stuff.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
In Jamaica, when the ladies they come, we have anklet,
Mm-hmm.
bracelet. We have a lot of nice stuff.
Okay.
Jamaican stuff, okay?
Okay.
That we make with our hands.
Yeah.
Bamboo.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yes.
Jamaica, man, we say love and love alone.
Yeah, Jamaica, no problem, you know?
No problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're a lady, the video I want to shop.
Huh?
Yeah, man, you're gonna come over.
Okay.
Come over. Hi.
Hi. What's up? So what do you sell here?
Selling stuff, new hats for you.
Okay, nice.
Have them in different makings.
Okay, okay.
Interested?
Uh-huh. Oh.
Charge the touch?
You don't charge to touch?
No, sir.
Okay.
Shot glass made from bamboos.
Oh. Okay.
What are you gonna get today? A bracelet?
Huh?
Not expensive.
Not expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We take Jamaican too.
You take Jamaican too? Okay.
And I have tongue tops. Can I show you them?
Yeah, say alright. Yeah.
Where you get them from?
No window, no door.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh.
Come to the ride over. Take your people them.
Where the bunny? Where the bunny?
Alright. Oh.
Where jerk?
Okay, so you can come here get a jerk.
Pimento sauce and
Oh, okay.
jerk sauce, well done, you know?
Oh, okay, okay.
Getting some bread.
Oh, you get some bread?
You got coconut, right? You got fresh coconut for you guys when you come.
Okay.
Wash off the water, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Okay, nice. Yeah, so
The general rules and the car to see you. Come inside and see what them do on the side.
okay. So you can tell the guys them when they come who they must ask for, because they want to
Yeah,
ask.
man, a prison man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, one prison man do the sport and call me, you know?
Alright, so
Yeah, man.
when you come on the rafting, ask for Prezi.
Prezi, you know?
Yes.
On the block.
Yeah, man.
No joke.
Yeah, man.
Right
Ready?
over St. Mary, you know?
Yes, alright. Alright, guys, we're going back now. Oh, you go different side when you go back up?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
We're not doing it.
Okay, okay. Oh, you just steer it. Okay. Okay.
Straighten up and you can see from the side, then you can see it up.
Oh, okay. Oh, so this is the zip line over here? Oh, okay. So it's a different company?
Yeah.
Okay. We come to the end of our tour on the Ryan over rafting. Alright, so we are getting off soon.
Alright. Welcome to the end of your tour. My name is Shadow. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour.
Alright then, thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Mhm. Alright, that's it. Eh?
Well, you sit down like that before we stop.
Huh?
You have to sit down and stop it. You can't just get up.
Oh.
You can pull up and just stop that. Alright. on down.
Okay. All right.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna follow you back up.
All right.
Yeah. I said, boy, this one get tired in here, boy.
Yeah.
I tell them. Can't reach on way where you know, so like,
All right.
Father.
Hello. Yeah.
How was it?
This was good. Yeah. All right, guys. That's it for this one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right. So remember, you have the changing room over there. You have hand wash and you have restroom and adequate parking. All right.